Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of basil. Close your eyes and take a deep breath as we transport you to the aromatic haven of Basil, where culinary delight meets a treasure trove of wellness. In this captivating video, we'll unravel the secrets of this extraordinary herb that not only adds a burst of flavor to your dishes, but also works wonders for your health. Get ready to discover how basil can be your culinary companion and health ally, enriching your life with its medicinal properties and tantalizing essence. So, let's embark on this herbal adventure and embrace the magic of basil's health benefits. First up, let's talk about its immune-boosting prowess. Basil is a rich source of vitamins A and C, along with powerful antioxidants, which help strengthen our immune system. This natural shield can ward off those pesky infections and keep you feeling healthy and vibrant year-round. The next time you add basil to your favorite recipe, know that you're giving your body a robust immune boost. Did you know that basil is a secret anti-inflammatory superhero? Yup, the essential oils found in basil, like eugenol, work wonders in reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. So, if you're feeling sore or achy, consider incorporating basil into your diet, or even whip up some basil-infused oil for soothing massages. Now let's talk about the heart-healthy side of basil. This remarkable herb contains compounds that may promote cardiovascular well-being. From helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels to supporting a balanced cholesterol profile, basil truly proves to be a friend to our heart's well-being. Sprinkle some basil love on your meals and give your heart the care it deserves. Stressful day? No worries, basil is here to the rescue. Basil, the aromatic herb that tantalizes our senses, also has remarkable stress relief properties. When you take a whiff of fresh basil, you activate your olfactory receptors, triggering a chain reaction in your brain. This leads to the release of chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which are known as feel-good neurotransmitters. As a result, you experience a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Moreover, basil contains adaptogens, compounds that help our bodies adapt to stress and restore balance. These adaptogens aid in regulating cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which can otherwise wreak havoc on our mental and physical well-being. Additionally, basil's anti-inflammatory properties play a role in stress relief. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation in the body, affecting various systems negatively. The anti-inflammatory compounds in basil can help reduce this inflammation, contributing to a more relaxed state. Whether it's a cup of basil-infused tea, adding fresh basil to your dishes, or simply taking a moment to inhale its pleasant aroma, incorporating basil into your daily routine can be a soothing ritual that brings tranquility to your mind and body. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Are you looking for a natural way to support your digestive system? Look no further than basil. This herb is a gentle digestive aid, helping to ease discomfort and promoting healthy digestion. It aids in maintaining a balanced gut, supporting smooth bowel movements and reducing bloating. Prepare to be amazed by basil's nutrient-rich profile. Basil is incredibly rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It helps maintain strong bones and supports a healthy cardiovascular system. This herb is abundant in vitamin A, a potent antioxidant that promotes healthy vision, supports immune function, and contributes to vibrant skin health. Basil packs a punch of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system, aids in collagen production for healthy skin, and protects the body against oxidative stress. Basil is a good source of magnesium, a vital mineral that supports muscle and nerve function, helps regulate blood pressure, and promotes relaxation and stress relief. Not to mention the minerals like iron and calcium that play vital roles in our overall well-being. Basil is truly nature's wholesome gift to our body. Lastly, let's talk about that radiant skin. Basil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to healthy and glowing skin. It can help combat free radicals, prevent premature aging, and promote a smooth complexion. So there you have it, the enchanting world of basil and its incredible health benefits. We are sure this aromatic herb truly deserves a place of honor in your kitchen and your daily life. Start incorporating basil into your meals, teas, and skincare routines today and experience the wonders it can work for your body and mind. Let Basil be your trusted companion on the path to a healthier and more vibrant you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.